Unity ML agents. So this video you're gonna see how to install a Unity, what are the stuff should be installed to load the environment and the ML package, and how to develop and build the environment into the executable. Then in next part we'll see how to solve the executable with the RL algorithm, I mean RL frameworks. Okay, so just go to GitHub, just search through the Google or on ML agents, just come through this web page. So this is the official web page. You'll get all the information, docs, all the stuff. Just get the git link, open your Anaconda. So first thing is you have to download your ML agents into your local system. Git clone the file name. Okay, when you execute this code, so execute this code. So this will download a file into your particular location. When you extract that particular file, okay, this is how it's gonna look. So ML agents environment project. So in this project all the basics assets and examples will be available. Okay, when you extract the folder, this is how the folder should look. Okay, so let me cancel this. It will have ML agents latest release. So already I'm inside the folder. Again ML agents. Okay, first thing is go to ML agents, execute pip install -e space .i. Okay, so this particular code will install all the necessary files should be installed from the ML agents. Okay, so I already did that. Thing is, it will take some time. It install what are the stuff it's needed. Then go back, go to ML agent envs. Okay, go to this particular folder, execute the same code, pip install -e dot. Okay, so after doing this both folder, after installing this stuff, so after installing pip install -e dot in ML agents and ML agents environment folder, go into the folder and execute this particular code. Then ML agents -learn help. Okay, fine. So if you're getting this stuff, okay, you're good to go. The environment has been installed. So now installing the Unity. Go to Unity archive, download Unity editor and download Unity installer. First download this particular editor and install it. Fine, open it and check whether it's running or not. Then download Unity installer, or you can go to Google and just download Visual Studio installer. Okay, this is two stuff, it's important. So after installing Visual Studio installer, you'll get a user interface like this. When you are going, it will ask install. There will be an option or modify. Okay, just go to install. Thing is, check this box and check this box. Okay, these are the two important stuff which needed to develop your own environment and build the environment from the Unity, which will help with the help of ML agents. Just select this, you will have an option install, just install that. So after that stuff, okay, after installing Unity and Visual Studio installer with those particular packages, you are good to go. Okay, Unity logo in your desktop, you will open Unity Hub. If it asks for sign up, just sign up. Then so in the install, you have to get this particular stuff with the version which you are download. If not, whatever stuff you install, just do locate from your location. Unity Hub will take the software. So now just give new. So just give 3D. We have to locate to the projects file where we downloaded the. So now go to, I told you right, after git clone we'll get a mlagent latest release. Go into the folder, select the project, select folder. So now create a new project, then location you should use the project location of the file which we downloaded from the unity ml agents. Then if you then give create. So after giving create, it will take some time load all the packages, assets, projects from that folder. Okay, so same stuff I done here. Your for you it may take some time, so your interface might look like this. So no problem, just go to assets, check for ml agents, check whether this folder is there or not. So if it is not there, then the location has been wrong. Thing is, just right click. Okay, first you try re-import all, otherwise open that folder, just hold the whole package and drag it here. Okay, so just go to this is the stuff we need, just drag and pull it down under the assets. Okay, so that is the case when you don't get the ml agents. Okay, so these are the example has been provided from the unity ml agents. So let us check the let's check the soccer. Okay, select scene, just drag and pull it down to the hierarchy. Okay, so this is the whole stuff. I'm gonna delete all the remaining. Okay, we're gonna view only the one environment. So yeah, loaded the model, just undrag this, just give play. So this model, they create an algorithm for the self play. Okay, this is an example model. From this we're gonna build a executable. With that executable we're gonna integrate with the reinforcement learning frameworks. So with that framework we're gonna solve the environment, we're gonna apply different algorithms, we're gonna check with that. Fine. So after loading this, go to file, build settings. So this is why we have to install C++ and other stuff which we set from the Visual Studio. Just give build, select a location. Okay, so new location, trial 2. Just I'm selecting the folder. So in this particular folder, so the executable will be created. So in next part we'll see how to implement the how to integrate the environment which has been created from the unity as executable with the RL algorithms. Okay, so if you face any problem while building, it's gonna be mostly with the Visual Studio. Okay, so when you install the Visual Studio, make sure that both package has been selected. Fine, thank you.